Hello guys, welcome to TUTORIEX, and today I'm gonna show you how you can get started with Python. So you need very few things to get started with Python. First you need your Python installed in your PC, and another thing you need is a code editor like VS Code, PyCharm or anything, which I recommend is VS Code. First go to command prompt and type python -- version. You can see here 3.9.1 because I have already installed Python in my computer, but if you don't have, just go to Chrome and search install Python. Go to this fast link and you can see the latest version. Download Python 3.9.5. Just click on it and you see the download already started. So I'll just gonna wait for it to download. So it's already downloaded, and now I'm gonna double click and it's opening. Because I have already installed, it's showing upgrade now. If you don't have, it's just install it. So it's gonna take some time to install. And next thing you need is VS Code. So you can see I have already VS Code in my PC. If you don't have VS Code, just go to Chrome same as before and type download VS Code, and you go to the first link. Here you can see different options like for 64-bit, 32-bit and Windows, Linux, Mac. You have option for everything. You just have to click on 64-bit because I have 64-bit Windows machine. So I'll just gonna click on 64-bit and it's gonna start download automatically. See here, VS Studio is downloading. I'm not gonna install it because I'm not gonna download it because it's already installed in my PC. So I'll just gonna go here and pause. Now I'll get back to the desktop. You see setup was successful, so I'll just gonna close it. Now if you go to CMD and type python / version, you see 3.9.5. so everything is done. Python is on your PC. Now I'm gonna make a folder, name it 101 and open with code. And I'm gonna make a Python file. Just watch carefully how you can make Python file. Just give a name like file1 /01.py. You have to give this py extension and enter. So my file got created. Now I'm gonna just write print, and inside print just write in double quotation, inside double quotation write hello world, and just run this Python file. Hello world. And if it's not running like that, you have to install this extension. You can see here code runner. Install code runner. It's a very good extension. It's gonna help you with everything. Code runner extension, and you can even install this tab 9 for autocomplete. And you have to install Python on VS Code. To run Python, just type here Python and it's gonna come here. It's already installed, so it's not showing here, but it's gonna show install here. So install this. See, it's gonna come on the first with a star with Microsoft, and install it on your PC, and then you're good to go. Just remember those extension, because without those extension it's not gonna work properly. So thank you guys for watching. In next video I'll gonna show you how you can code on Jupyter Notebook. It's same as code editor, but there you can make notes, parallelly with what you're gonna code. You can make notes. So I'll gonna do that in next video. So take care, bye bye, see you on the next video.